Smartsheet versus Monday.com comparison. Hi guys, in this video, we're going to be comparing Smartsheet with Monday.com since both of these softwares are very similar. So let's get into it. So first things, what we're going to be comparing is the price. So the price of both of these are very similar as well, except that Smartsheet has only including the free plan and not including the enterprise, and Monday.com has four plans, including the free plan and not including the enterprise. So over here you can see the price. It starts at the basic with 9, then goes up to standard with $12, and then for pro it's 19, whereas for Smartsheet it starts at $6 per user per month and $22 per user per month for the business one. And in the free version, in Smartsheet, you get one user and up to two editors. You get two sheets, Gantt, grid, card, calendar view are all available. You can compare the plan down below. Whereas in Monday.com, in the free plan, you get two seats. So you get three boards. You got two in Smartsheet, and you have three people in Smartsheet, but here you have two, but three boards, unlimited documents, 200 plus templates, which is a pretty cool thing, eight column types, and iOS and Android application as well. So you can go ahead and pause this video right here and check out the plans, compare them however you feel like it. It depends on you. I do have to mention that if you go ahead and change your seats, let's say 10 right here, you can see that the price changes down below as well. So keep that in mind. And this is the yearly price and this is the monthly price. So if we come over here and switch it to monthly as well for, uh, you know, Smartsheet, you can see not a lot of difference. So only $6 difference in the business, and for the pro, it's only $1. So not a whole lot of difference. So you can go ahead and do whatever you want with that information. Let's go ahead and take a look at their interface. All right, and this is what it looks like over here. As you can see, this is how Smartsheet looks like. You can see we have our projects right here. This is the simple board view, and this is what Monday.com looks like. Now, I've used Monday.com before. It's one of my go-to softwares, but I haven't used Smartsheet. But it does look very similar, albeit the aesthetic wise, Monday.com does look better. And since I have used it, I know the software very, very well, and I know the integrations work really, really good as well. I know there are not a lot of bugs in it as well. So I would say go with this one, but Smartsheet does provide a very similar experience from what I have looked at. It also has automation, forms, and connections as well. You can upload your files right here. Very simple UI, nothing too crazy, albeit Monday.com can be a little bit confusing for beginners. To me, Smartsheet looks much more simpler. So, give and take. On the left hand side, you have all of your options. I don't see a lot of template option as well. So let me just save this and see whether or not they have it. So if I try to create a workspace, and yeah, they do have templates, albeit not as many as I would hope to. Let's say all templates right here. Yeah, they do have a bunch of cool templates, but not a whole lot. So keep that in mind. Whereas in Monday.com, they have tons, and I mean tons of different templates, a lot of templates. Sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming, but you know what you're doing, it doesn't really matter. So in my opinion, since if you're starting to use some of these softwares, then I would highly recommend go with Smartsheet, since it's very simple to use, nothing too complicated, very simple UI. And once you have used to it and want a little bit more finesse and more options, then I would suggest go with Monday.com. It's both are very similar. It's just the user interface can be a little bit trickier for Monday.com, and since it is a little bit pricey as well, so I would say go with Smartsheet. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.